Ever wonder how decisions are made in complex systems, or how we extract critical data from a sea of information? Welcome to the fascinating world of rough set theory. Today, we dive into two key components of this theory: reducts and core, and the intriguing concepts of dispensable and indispensable attributes. First off, what is rough set theory? In a nutshell, it's a mathematical approach to data analysis, designed to deal with vagueness and uncertainty. It's a tool that helps us draw conclusions from an incomplete or imprecise data set. So, what are reducts and core? Imagine a database filled with attributes. A reduct is a minimal set of these attributes that maintains the same level of information as the full database. It's like packing for a trip and only taking the essentials that you absolutely need. On the other hand, the core is the set of all indispensable attributes across all reducts. It's the non-negotiable items that you must pack for every trip, no matter what. Now let's talk about dispensable and indispensable attributes. As the name suggests, dispensable attributes are ones we can do without losing any crucial information, like bringing an extra pair of shoes on a trip handy, but not necessary. Indispensable attributes, however, are those we cannot do without. If we remove them, we lose vital information. They're like your passport on an international trip, absolutely essential. So, why does this matter? Understanding what is indispensable and what is dispensable helps in simplifying complex systems. It allows us to focus on what's really important and discard the rest. In the world of data science, this is crucial. It allows us to streamline data analysis, reduce noise, and draw more accurate conclusions. So, to sum up, rough set theory is a tool for dealing with vagueness and uncertainty in data. Reducts and core are ways to identify the most important attributes in a dataset. And understanding the difference between dispensable and indispensable attributes helps us to simplify and streamline our data analysis. Remember, in the world of data, not everything that can be counted counts, and not everything that counts can be counted. Keep exploring, and you'll uncover the hidden gems within your data. Until next time, keep those minds sharp and those datasets cleaner.